Hi all, welcome to a new video from Foodie Zest. Today we are going to make two different kinds of fritters with same batter. That is banana fritters and dates fritters. For making this we need around 8 to 10 dates. I have pitted them and split them into halves. Then we need 1 banana, 5 tablespoons of maida, 1 tablespoon rice flour, a pinch of turmeric powder for color and pinch of salt. And we need oil for frying and water for making the batter. Now let's start making the batter. Into a bowl, add maida, rice flour, turmeric powder and the pinch of salt and make it into a batter, adding water. This must be the consistency of the batter. It shouldn't be too thick. Now I have sliced the bananas and cut them. Into a pan, add oil for deep frying. Add the sliced bananas into the batter and fry them. Coat them well in the batter and fry them until we get a nice golden color. Put the flame on medium. Once they have changed color, let's take them out. Now our tasty banana fritters are ready. If the banana is not ripe, you can add some sugar into the batter. Now into the remaining batter, let's add the dates and mix them well until they are all coated well with the batter. And into the same oil, let's add each date one by one. Make sure the oil isn't too hot. Just like for banana fritters, fry them until they turn golden. Now the color has changed. Let's take them out. Dates fritters are really crispy, while the banana fritters are crispy from outside and soft from inside. Now I have transferred it into a serving dish. Now our yummy dates fritters are also ready. For a rainy season, a cup of strong tea and dates and banana fritters are just the perfect snack you can get. So please try this recipe. Thanks for watching Foodie Zest. Like, share and subscribe and keep supporting me as always.